Hi, welcome to your speaking test. My name is Teacher Chin. Are you ready?
Hello, my name is Sarah. Yes.
Okay, nice. Now, Sarah, tell me about yourself first.
I am 11 years old. I studied Shanghai Children on high school, and my hobby is dancing.
Okay, wow, nice to know. Okay, Sarah, let's go to your speaking test. This is your speaking test consists of three parts. Let's go to part one. This is introduction and interview. Okay, I will ask questions, you will answer. Okay, so your topic for today is shopping and money. First question, do you like going shopping?
Yeah, I do because it's so funny.
Oh, it's so fun. Okay, nice. And what do you usually buy when you go shopping?
I usually buy clothes, books, and food.
Why do you like buying those?
Because I think I need them.
Okay, you need them. Okay. And have you ever bought something online?
No, I can't.
Oh, you haven't bought, like going shopping online, no? Okay. All right. Now let's go to part two. This is long term. So you're given 2 minutes to write down your thoughts about a topic. Then after 2 minutes, you're given 1 minute to speak it out. Okay? So your topic again is shopping and money. So you're going to describe a shopping experience you remember well. You should say where you went shopping, what you bought, and who you were with, and explain how you felt during and after that shopping trip. So your 2 minutes starts now. Okay, your time is up, Sarah. So you're given 1 minute to speak out your thoughts. Your 1 minute starts.
Um, I went to a supermarket with my mom the week. I bought clothes, food, candy, teddy bear
Oh,
in supermarket. I feel happy fun because I need buy my favorite food,
I see. Yes, you're able to buy. What color is the teddy bear?
white and
White and brown. Okay, I have brown at home. Okay, that's good to know, Sarah. Let's go to part three discussion. So I will ask you one question. You're going to answer in 3 to 5 sentences. Okay? All right. So your question, Sarah, is do you think people spend too much money on unnecessary things? Why?
I say people um, don't spend too much money because it's easily waste money.
No, I see. So you think people don't spend too much money on not important things? Yeah. For example,
Uh,
people buy so many toys.
I think people can buy, but they uh, two toys.
Okay, only two toys. Yeah, because most people buy many, right? So it's a waste of money. Okay, that's the end of your speaking test, Sarah. Well done, and thank you for your time. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye.